this episode, Jackson watches a boat fly, builds his own fire, fillets his own fish, and works hard to earn 2 Stronger Boy Way patches.
Earned your fire-started patch.
Watching him experience these things, I couldn't help but wonder if the week was shaping up to be something much bigger for his life than just earning patches. In fact, 16 years ago, another father brought his son to these exact same Canadian waters. And during that week of fishing and campfires and riding on float planes, the course of his life literally took flight.
Good fish. Come back here, let Uncle Doug get it for you. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Will you keep it?
We'll keep a pike once you get a pike. Good fish.
After an adventurous day of fishing a hidden lake that required portaging over a beaver dam, Jackson caught the pike he was after to complete the fishing portion of his fishing patch, which meant it was time to head back to camp, clean the fish, and cook it over a fire that he would build himself. Up until now, you've mostly been riding in our boat, but there was another crew just behind us. Uncle Doug's son Reagan and his son-in-law Chris, and they had something memorable up their sleeve.
I thought you were always gonna go for it.
We're gonna let the young guys do it.
I would do it. I would try it. You doing it? I'll try it. I don't care. About what? No, that's kind of steep. Maybe not. You have to lift the motor up. Yeah, that's why I say we go, and then you just crank up on the motor. And... Yeah.
Come on. He's gonna run it.
We got out of the way. We're gonna go over.
He's gonna.
That's the dumbest thing I've heard.
I don't want to see.
All right. If you're gonna do that, I'm gonna video it for real.
Oh no! Yeah! That was so cool!
To Jackson, they were fearless. But flying over things is just a normal day for Reagan, because Reagan flies for the United States Air Force. Reagan's fascination with flying actually began on a trip with his dad to these exact same Canadian waters. Amazingly, he wasn't much older than Jackson when he got his own pilot's license. I can't help but wonder what core memories from this trip might be playing a part in shaping Jackson. But it wasn't just the experiences of the week shaping Jackson, it was also the people. Though all Jackson might see right now are a couple of daredevils, as a father it brings great joy to see godly men like Chris and Reagan investing in my son, especially with the gentle patience they exhibited having to listen to Jackson over the walkie-talkies.
We're gonna go back to the cabin at 4, so...
It's already 4:15.
Okay, my clock's an hour behind.
Just come to the Narrows with us.
Where is the Narrows?
The place where you guys were catching all those pike yesterday.
So back across on the other side, we gotta get on the other boats?
Yes!
On the other side?
Meet us at the boat in about 15 minutes or else.
I can't hear anything you're saying, bud.
They answered every question, celebrated every fish.
Nice. Safety.
Laughed at almost every joke, and never once made him feel like he was just tagging along or a nuisance. One of the greatest gifts that a man can give a young boy is simply making him feel like he belongs. With the excitement behind us, it was time for the work to begin.
For those rods, buddy.
And before we could cook dinner, we had to build the kitchen. We needed a good bed of hot coals for the cast iron skillet, so the first order of business was getting a fire going.
think you're gonna need a lot more tinder.
And we decided to make this challenge harder on purpose. No lighter, no matches, no cotton balls with Vaseline, no commercial fire starters.
Nice.
Just a ferro rod,
Toss it.
natural tinder,
Do some practice strokes.
and what would turn out to be a lot of elbow grease.
All right, look at the part that's already done, right? There you go. There you go. So look, you gotta do it not straight down, but at an angle.
There it is. There it is.
That's so hard.
You're touching it with the plastic instead of the metal.
Or put it in your hand and I'll just strike it. That's what the outdoor boys do.
Yeah. It's okay. You're doing good. Put it closer to it so that when you come off, the sparks land right into it. All right, hold on. Not like this.
Whoa!
All right, so hold it in your thumb right here.
Like that?
Yep, like that. Yeah. No. Hold this hand still. Hold that hand still and push with this hand. There you go. I'm gonna help you feel it. Feel the angle it needs to be.
Whoa! You might start it. Don't do that.
There you go. There you go.
In 2026, starting a fire is something we almost never think about. We turn a knob, push a button, flip a switch, but for most of human history, every warm meal or safe night's sleep began exactly like this. We lost count, but after what surely was somewhere in the neighborhood of a couple hundred strikes, it finally all came together.
Push. Oh, careful. All right. Put some on there. Don't lose it. All right, more tinder. Go get more tinder. Quick. Good job. Shake the sand out.
And then he nearly smothered the whole thing.
Okay, don't throw it on there. You just want to kind of gently set it on there because it'll put it out.
But somehow it survived.
Start putting medium-sized stuff on there. Hurry. Some medium stuff like this. Bro.
Wow, that thing caught like insane.
Yeah, it was like once it caught, huh? Hey, look, you can do this. Put something here. And then one there. And then lay some of this longer stuff across the top.
Oh yeah, I get it. I caught it.
Look at that.
Nice job, dude.
All right, now go this way. Go this way with it. Don't burn yourself. That would be a stinky way to end the trip. So you've gone 2 this way, now go this way. It's like you're building a log cabin.
We have fire!
Way to go, dude. You earned your fire starting patch.
There it is.
Thank you.
Good job, dude. You did it all in. Don't burn it up on the fire. Hey, listen. I'm really proud of how hard you worked on that. I thought, man, I don't know if he's going to be able to finish it because I didn't know if you had enough strength to keep going, and finally hard work paid off for you. Really, really good job. Now what we're going to do is let this burn down into some coals, and once the coals are burned and good and hot down at the base, Uncle Doug's going to bring a cast iron skillet out here, and while they're tending the fire, we're going to go fillet those fish that you caught today and come back out here and cook on this fire. We didn't just build this fire for fun. It's actually going to serve a purpose for us.
Now, while we let those flames become the bed of coals that we would need to cook dinner, it was time for the next order of business. Catching the fish was only part of the patch.
Sharp knife here, right?
Learning what comes after the catch is every bit as important.
Go!
Most of us grow up buying meat wrapped neatly in plastic. It's easy to forget. Every meal has a beginning. Someone harvested it, someone cleaned it, someone prepared it. Tonight, that someone was Jackson.
I'll do the first side.
But I wasn't about to give full control of a razor-sharp fillet knife to a 9-year-old and tell him good luck. Not when we were hours from the nearest emergency room.
And then we're gonna cut down into it.
So we worked together, and I guided where I needed to. The expectation wasn't a perfect fillet. Even my fillets wouldn't be as good as Tinker's. But at the end of the day, he would have a full understanding of the process.
You basically want the knife to stay flat like this, and you can almost just pull.
Wait. I have an idea. Like Mr. Tinker is talking about?
No.
Then when I was young and tough, I could hang on all the way through, but now I gotta put a notch in there so I can finish the job, okay?
That's good. Alright, now put your knife under there, put it flat. Keep it flat and push down. Not bad, dude. Maybe a little bit more rough with the knife. Good.
Oh.
Good job. Spine. Go way down the spine.
And mine has like a little minnow.
Angle.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we're good still. Alright, bring the fish back this way. Working on the spine. Hey, slow, smooth strokes, not hard. That's good. Alright, good.
Now that the fish were filleted, the fire that Jackson had worked so hard to start was finally ready to do what it was built to do.
Glad you brought your tweezers, your toenail tweezers. It'd be cooler if you had a fillet knife like Tinker.
Tinker, I'm not that cool.
Cornmeal and Old Dutch potato chips.
Oh yeah.
Old Dutch what?
Potato chips.
Crushed up.
Seriously?
Yeah. If you like them whole, you'll like them crumbled. Let's pour a little bit more on top of it all.
Inside down.
Yeah, there's another one.
Ain't no telling where that skin inside is.
There might actually be some skin on there.
Let's call it cracklings.
We were adventurous enough to cook dinner over an open fire, but not quite adventurous enough to brave the mosquitoes that began to swarm. So we gladly retreated inside with full plates and a smaller chance at blood loss.
I think I did a pretty good job on this. The hardest part of the day was making a fire. That thing broke my back.
There's something different about a meal that you've earned. A fish that you've caught, that you've cleaned, and was cooked over a fire that you built yourself.
He slammed it too, didn't he?
Who?
That pipe.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the one that I just saw like a submarine going under the boat.
Rod tip was like.
And I was like, oh, very good. Thank you. Thanks for catching the fish.
No, it wouldn't be possible if the fish hadn't been so dumb to bite my lure.
He wouldn't come. He was tricked by an exceptional fisherman.
After an incredible sunset, a steady breeze rose up and kept the mosquitoes at bay, so we gathered back around the campfire for some obligatory s'mores. But what starts as a means for cooking supper, very often, fires become so much more than that.
While we're down here, just me and you.
I've been needing to talk to you about something while we're here.
Before electricity, people gathered around fire with family and friends, older generations with younger generations. It did more than just provide warmth. It created a place, an environment where stories were told, where wisdom was passed down, where questions were answered. Tonight, our conversation was one of those that I will always remember. But it wasn't one for the camera. This important moment was better kept between a father and his son.